Morning, everybody. September 22nd, 2025. The ramps are down. The CFMOTO Highlands are coming off. We have a full load of Highlands. So, if your name is on a Highland, all of these are pre-sold. But if your name is on a Highland, there's a good chance you're gonna get called today. So we got 2 black and 2 red. I absolutely love when the truck shows up and the full load is ours. Makes things easier for us, the trucker, and everybody.
Makes me happy that you're happy.
Trucker's happy that we're happy. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. There's a reason these babies are selling as fast as we get them in. They're sweet. Have a good day, everybody. A lot more info to come.